then, mate. You can be in the film, eh? No, I have. Well, I actually have got something for you in my pocket. This is a day job, really, isn't it, May? Hey? I have. Come on, good girl. Yeah, you can't eat while we're on the move. Yeah, Grandpa, can I pass you the camera? Yeah. Good girl. Hey, here you go. Oh, yes. Hey, and another one, then you can go. And off you go then. I'd just like to thank Rory from Rory on Air for the help he's given me with the audio in the first clip of this section. I flew to Seething. It was a bit of a disastrous day, really, because initially I got into the Seeper with John, but the battery was flat, so we couldn't fly in that. I then went across and jumped in the back of the RV with the other John, only to find that the alternator wasn't working. So in the end, that was 2 of the 4 aircraft that we'd booked into Seething down. So I pushed the Jodel out and flew in that. Unfortunately, as you'll probably see in landing, something went a little bit awry, and it turned out that I snapped the retaining bolt on the leaf spring, which caused the tailwheel to caster. But at the time, we just wondered what on earth was happening. Thank you very much to everybody at Seething for the help and support on that. It's the one thing about the flying community whereby we do tend to all help each other, which is what it's all about. But in terms of the audio on this one, I had used the 40 decibel reducer. It did actually produce a mono track, which I wasn't expecting. I took advice from Rory. I set it all up on Wave Editor, which is part of the Cyberlink power director which I use to edit on. And although I did everything that it said I should have done, for some reason or other it didn't copy back to where I had it on the main track. So I should do some more work on that. But as this is the last video of the year, I am going to include some bits and pieces that I haven't done for the rest of the time. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave me a comment, tick like if you do like it, of course, subscribe if you haven't already done so, and see you in the new year.
Seething radio, Golf Alpha Yankee Echo Hotel.
Golf Romeo X-ray overhead. Golf Victor Hotel, pass your message.
That was Golf Alpha Yankee Echo Hotel, if that was me.
Oh, sorry, yeah, Golf Echo Hotel, pass your message.
Golf Echo Hotel, Jodel DR 1050, inbound to you from Nayland. Presently 9 miles south, 1,500 feet for landing instructions.
Roger, Golf Echo Hotel, runway in use is at 24, the left-hand circuit, and advisory QFE of 1001.
24, left-hand 1001, Golf Echo Hotel. Golf Alpha Yankee, dead side.
Golf Alpha, defending dead side number 2.
Are you picking that one up? No.
Golf Bravo Bravo, welcome to Seething, 180 backtrack when ready.
Golf Echo Hotel, is it okay if I join downwind left hand?
Hey, phone Echo Hotel, we've got one over aircraft approaching.
Okay, I'm descending now into downwind. Thanks a lot, Echo Hotel.
Looks like Duncan's the only one there.
Golf Echo Hotel, turning left base.
Roger, Echo Hotel.
Golf Echo Hotel, final.
Roger, Golf Echo Hotel, 2404 knots.
India Victor on final for 24, visual with the one ahead. If the one ahead could vacate left at Charlie, that would help.
Want you to take the taxiway,
Yeah.
didn't he?
Golf Echo Hotel, welcome to Seething. If you could vacate at Charlie and hold for other incoming aircraft, please.
Wilco, Golf Echo Hotel.
Come on. Okay, yeah, if you don't mind. I think he wants you to stop here.
Yeah, I'm going to just turn around and see what's happening.
Echo Hotel, follow the other aircraft if you find.
Wilco, Golf Echo Hotel.
Very, very stick. You feel the rudders?
I can't really reach them. You need to adjust your rudder change, I think.
Yeah.
Oh, you cow. Yeah, you can have it now, I don't like it.
Okay. I don't think I need to worry about being too close, do I? Not that there's a lot of aircraft around, but we'll do the last little bit by hand.
The steering problem turned out to be a sheared tailwheel leaf spring bolt. The nylock and part of the bolt was found inside the fuselage on top of the wooden block. With help, we made a temporary repair and flew back. I have put more details in the video description below if you're interested.
Golf Alpha Yankee, Echo Hotel lining up in turn.
Echo Hotel. And once your brother was gone, no traffic. Golf Bravo, departing south, thank you and goodbye. Bye-bye.
I reckon that was his wake.
That was good. First one way, then the next.
Golf Echo Hotel is clear to the south. Thank you very much.
You're more than welcome. Have a good trip. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
So much for my idea of, I thought I was going to go out and round by the coast, but we'll just go home.
Good idea.
Look at all those aircraft down there.
Oh yeah, that's Flixton Museum, I think.
Is it? Right.
I think so.
Never noticed that before.
No, I believe that's Flixton.
Yeah. Seems to have quite a nice mixture.
Yeah, there's Bungie, so yeah, that would be Flixton, I reckon.
Right. Actually, when you look at that bolt, there was very little.
Yeah, it was well corroded.
Proper metal on there, was there?
Yeah.
It's like the whole mob are in.
Yeah, darling, can you talk? Yeah, just let you know I'm at Old Warden. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. No, it's okay. Tim volunteered to come along, so he's been giving us a hand. Yeah. But,
And we did aim to come to Old Warden. We didn't aim to go to Wickenby.
Yeah, we'll do, yeah. Okay, I'll speak to you later. Love you, bye.
Have you signed us out?
All done.
Okay.
Ready for round 2.
Right. So this is the first time you've been here?
Yeah. It's really nice.
Yeah. Do you like the idea of being an authorised personnel then?
Oh yeah, definitely.
Come through this door, you know. The sun has brought absolutely everybody out, hasn't it?
Is this the one that we see at Ruffin 2-3 weeks ago?
I don't think it was Nicky's, it was one like it.
Oh, right.
But I remember I pointed out Nicky earlier on. That's hers.
I would very much like to thank my friend John, the flying reporter, who came up with a great idea of acknowledging and promoting the work of his favourite YouTube pilots as a Christmas special. We each recorded our answers to the same questions, but before I play you my bloopers, I would just like to show you my complete answer to what was, I believe, the hardest question.
This one's really tricky. We all love our flying. We all edit in different ways. So therefore, we all bring something different to the party. But if I've got to put my head on the block, I'd say that the videos that I'm really enjoying at the moment are those from Rory. Rory on air. Rory flies a microlight out of Barton. And if you haven't seen it, he did a very, very good video from a trip from Carnarvon back to Barton via overhead Snowdon. Keep going up, keep going up. Keep going. There we are.
No?
Yeah, no, that's fine. Yeah, and it is recording. All right. Well, what do you think of that one then, Dad?
Better because you didn't say that bit about backward twice
Okay, fine. I didn't realise I had said it twice, but okay.
before.
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah. Got to check on what the last question was, to be honest.
You had a little hesitation at the very start.
Yes, because I couldn't think what to say. The other bits, I'm all sort of sorted, but this bit, I don't know. Okay. Ooh, I nearly choked on that. I don't know why. It's going to be a very quiet Christmas this year. Well, comparatively quiet Christmas. And all in all, it was a good year. For next year, I've had a good flying year this year. Visited lots of places for the first time, been to some back. And, oh shit, why can't I speak properly? How did that one sound?
All right, you had 3 same words at the very start of that, didn't you?
I don't know, I can't remember.
Yeah.
We all love our flying, and we love to share our flying. We all edit in different ways, so therefore we all bring something different to the party. But if I've got to do, that was going so well as well. I'll wait for Dad to finish flying. That'll come through the microphone really loudly. I can't believe the number of times that we've filmed this, and even now I'm not 100% sure.